Welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the PLL algorithm for Perm. Before I show you the algorithm, let's go over what Perm looks like. So, Perm has headlights, then we'll have a block touching the headlights here, a block touching the headlights here. This is not to be confused with any other permutation with a block in it. As you can see, this looks like Perm here, but then it doesn't have the block here. And this one has a block not touching the headlights. So remember, 2 blocks touching the headlights. The algorithm for Perm is pretty easy. I think it's one of the easiest one that switches 2 corners, of all the permutations that switch 2 corners. And it's also really related to another perm that I'll show you after this. So, here's the algorithm for Perm. Hold the headlights on the left. Here we go. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. So you see the first 4 moves really easy to memorize. You've probably done this before. Then this, put the F12 pair in, put it in its correct spot, and just fix the cube. While we were talking about Perm, I thought I'd show you something else. So, if you break down Perm into 2 moves, the first one being this, and then the second one being, then if you reverse the order of those 2 moves, it solves this, which is called Y-perm. Y-perm is when you have this corner here, then jumble pieces here. So watch, I'll do the second move first, then the beginning of Perm, and there you go. If you want to learn more algorithms, view my channel. I have a lot of tutorials along with video for each of the PLL cases. I hope this video is helpful to you, and good luck.